Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your ringtones on your Android, how to choose your ringtones, how to use your ringtones from your files. So let's dive in. This is mine. You go to your settings, click on your settings, and you click on this sound and vibration. Click on sound and vibration. This is it. If you want to adjust your what should I call it? You want to adjust the loudness. Sorry for that. The loudness. You can see you want to increase out it loud. Your media, your song. This is it. Your song, your video. This is where you also will use the sound here. This is it. Here. We can see you can use it by the side of your phone. This two button here is for customizing your sound. Is it on? You can see to make it more sound. You can use it here to adjust it from here. Your alarm tone here. You can see how you want your alarm to sound. This is it. How to adjust the sound of your alarm. And here is a ringtone. Your ringtone here. If you want it to loud, this is it. You can use the hand to adjust it here. And this is how you set. You can see this is it. Let me tell you here what I'm saying now. You can see this is my ringtone I'm using, and this is for your notification. You can adjust your notification to here, and here it is your ringtone. Come and choose your ringtone from here. This is I'm using old telephone. If I want to choose another one, you can see this is it. Let me loud it for you to see. This is another ringtone. If I want to add a ringtone now, I'll put that. You want to add your ringtone, you come to this add ringtone here. You can see, and it's going to take us straight to your files. Because it is your files, so just go to is it your drive, your large drive, or your recent files. Click on your recent files here. No items, just come here. Click on this menu button here, and this is it. Is it your audio, your download, your memory card, your Infinix? Just click on your memory card and it's going to make everything for you. Just go to your music video here or your received if your music is on your receive, and those are this. If I choose anyone here, it's going to be automatic. Let's see, let me just choose one here and I've added. You can see I've added. I've added here. Let me just click on it and you're going to hear it. And once I click on it and I go back, I've automatically used it as my ringtone. So you can add any ringtone here and use it for your ringtone. But I'm not going to use this. I'm going to go back to my old telephone now and I'm going to go back. And you can see can add and add and add and add and add and add as you want. So this is it. Oh, sorry, I'm going to my old new phone here. Then I'll go come back and I've automatically saved it. So if you found this video interesting and helpful, click the like button, share and comment.